Hey everyone, welcome to Sheebas Cookery World. In today's video we will see how to make Chilli Garlic Potato Bites. It is a real quick snack that you can make and enjoy during your tea time, and even your kids would love it. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. For this recipe you would need 2 boiled potatoes. You can pressure cook them along with some salt for 3 to 4 whistles. Now we will have to mash these potatoes. I'm gonna put them into a bigger bowl and mash them up. You can use a potato masher to quickly mash them. Since I do not have one, I'm using a fork to mash them instead. You can also get messy with your hands as well. Once the potatoes are mashed, we will add in some chili flakes, some finely chopped garlic, some cornflour or cornstarch, and some butter. Adding some butter enhances the flavor of the garlic. Now we will combine all of these ingredients really well. You should ensure that the mixture does not have any lumps. So use your hands to mix them really well. The mixture is ready. Now grease your hands with some oil. Now take small portions of the mixture and roll them into cylindrical shape. If you are finding it difficult to roll them into cylindrical shape, you can roll them into round balls as well. We need to set this in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. Before refrigerating, you can shape them once again. So after 30 minutes, we will deep fry these potato bites. I've taken some regular cooking oil. Once the oil turns hot, drop in the potato bites one by one. I'm gonna fry them in 2 batches. Set the flame on medium, and we need to fry them until they turn golden brown. Make sure you do not add more of cornflour to this mixture. There are chances that these might burst while frying if you add more cornflour. Now the potato bites are ready. I'm gonna transfer them onto a kitchen towel. I will fry the remaining batch in the same way. If you want, you can also store these in the refrigerator for at least 2 weeks and fry them as and when you require. Now the chili garlic potato bites are ready to be served. You can have them just like that or serve them along with some ketchup. So wasn't that a real quick snack? I'm sure you would enjoy it as well. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.